going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video where today I will be showing you what to do for movies. So, this is what you do for CuteCut when you start out. Before you have to download CuteCut in iMovie. So first you're gonna click photo, and then you're gonna find your background and everything. And after that you click video, and you click on your song that you hopefully recorded from whatever website you used and put that in there. And then after that, all of that is done, you click export to album and then 1080p or 720p. So that's not the important part. This is the important part. I'm going to show you guys how to add tiles / text to your iMovie. So, as you can see, my text pop up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this, and down here there's gonna be action, speed, volume, tiles. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click tiles, and then it's gonna ask you, what do you want it to focus, expand, line, reveal, gravity, prism, standard, simple, or none. And then after you figure all that out, you click your you click your thing, AJ and LJ Gaming for Us. You're gonna click the middle of the picture, and it'll bring it up. You type your YouTube name or whatever you want into your intro, and that's all for that. I hope you guys, and then you can add your video here. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope this helps out some other people who are less fortunate to know about this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.